The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition that looks exactly like the Z Fold 6 is officially coming out on October 24th. As it says right here, fill out the official application form by 10/18/2024, and it will opening/delivery period October 25th. Pre-order period is October 24th. Keep in mind, this is only available in China and other European countries. It will be very, very limited release. Of course, they do have S Pen support in the end. They did remove the digitizer layer, but they actually have a new formula to not have that and actually still have S Pen support, which is crazy. And also, the best thing about this is it's super thin. Not really. It's 5% thinner than a regular Z Fold 6. And of course, it does go ahead and cost way more money. And that's it. And if you're thinking this looks exactly like, Z Fold 6, again, I can't repeat myself enough. You are correct. This is literally Z Fold 6. So it says Z Fold 6 Special Edition, exclusive benefits for pre-order. And that's pretty much that. I kind of hoping you gave us more information, but that's all we really get from it. And again, we're probably going to see some tech reviewers get copies of this just to show off. But this really isn't a device that is made / being created to flex on people or, again, to be very successful. This is kind of just Samsung saying, hey, listen, we can make a device that's also thin. So all the stuff about the, other phones being super thin, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, or any phone from Huawei, Honor, OnePlus, Oppo. This is Samsung's kind of way to say, we can also do that. But we're going to do it in a very limited release, make it impossible to get, and charge you up the butt for it. That's pretty much what they're doing. Shout out to Samsung. You can still do it. I just don't know what that do it is. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, guys. I'll see you guys next one. Wait, hold up. Okay. Peace out.